Hey guys, it's Roger from Raptor Pack RVing, and boy do we have a cool video for you tonight. Hey, when you go camping, in addition to the fun stuff, rafting on the Rogue River maybe, having s'mores around the campfire, going on hikes, maybe you're fishing, what's another thing we all enjoy on a good old hot day? Having a nice cold beer. Well, we got a very unique individual. This individual's name is Ricky. He's an African Gray Parrot. It's our neighbor's bird. He's the first parrot ever I've seen to ever be able to pop a beer can, and this bird loves beer. So hopefully you'll enjoy the video. We had a good laugh when we filmed it, so sit back. Hopefully you'll enjoy. Okay, folks, this is Ricky the African Gray.
Having a beer.
He is opening his own beer. Oh! Did you all see this?
He's trying.
So after 6 beers, I don't have to worry about opening my beer. I'll ask the parrot to do it. But see, he's getting camera shy.
What, Ricky?
All right, Ricky.
There it went.
Oh my God.
Did you get it?
Jet. You scared him. Dad, call your dog.
Jet, come here.
I keep scaring Ricky. Let's see.
He's drinking beer.
He's drinking beer.
Ricky took a break. He's having There you go, folks.
Good job, Rick.
Ricky the African Gray has popped his beer. The beer drinking parrot.
See how it was popped up?
Now he's
exactly
gonna
like
have. Now he's got to have a little beer.
Oh, thirsty.
Look at there, Ricky. Thirsty? All right, folks. You saw it firsthand on this day at River Park RV. Ricky, the African Gray, has popped the beer.